Dear all, we had our second session of Unit 1 today. At the start of the session, I took questions from the previous session and found that you were all asking me advanced questions from the presentation I was to start today. Your questions were interesting and probing. We started the second presentation by learning the outcomes we collectively want to achieve and by learning references used in the presentation. I will share the links very soon. We discussed that purpose is intention with high intensity. It is the life force that guides and keeps your passion balanced. It's moving from the personal to the universal. I explained what Tattvam Asi means. We share this planet and so also our collective welfare. One should not get tied to pleasure principle and instant gratification of impulses. We are all microcosm of macro design. I gave example of a transformation of Valmiki. We discussed how each day can be a birthday and we have a purpose for the day as we are living and healthy at least for today. This should motivate us to do good. I discussed altruism and was countered on how altruism can be reciprocal. I referred to George Zimmer's talk captured in Stanford Breakfast Lecture Series and the example of entrepreneurs and the polar bear and possible alternate end to that story. I told you the story of a father guiding his son for a treasure and his son learning how to appreciate simple joys in life. Success is important, but happiness also should be the driving force. Success is individual, significance is universal. I told you the story of the changing desires of a stone cutter and explained how purpose of our lives should not be based on jealousy of others, but our own individually defined idea. I showed you the picture of a statue sculpting itself and implored you not to get disheartened with the idea that we have a predestined role. We are privileged to be free, not condemned to be free. I told you the story of Alfred Nobel and him reading his own obituary, which some people believe, described him as the merchant of death. He changed his goal and donated money for prize on literature, science, and peace. There are alternate versions of his motivation too, but what matters here is that he actually did that. We discussed the etymology of the word passion and patience. We referred to Shiv Khera's documentary, Freedom is Not Free, and how he says that a traitor can go to any extreme to betray the nation, and how a soldier or a patriot can also go to any extreme. Passion without purpose can be singular and fatal. I recommended the novel Ours Are the Streets by Sanjeev Sahuta. I was asked a question on what I would do if I were a soldier and I need to kill in a war-like situation. I explained that I would not be my individual self at that time, but a representative, a soldier on behalf of my nation and would do what is required. I was asked question on how not to get disheartened with failures, and I gave examples of a pearl diver who keeps on trying and keeps on trying. I gave examples in between from Hamlet and Othello and asked you to check your decisions. I advised all to keep a diary to help discover your progress from dreams to destination. I recommended you to read Song of Myself by Walt Whitman. We discussed at the end the story of Socrates. There were so many questions that I could not take all the questions. I will try to answer in my next session. Thank you and keep learning. And yes, bring smiles to others as we discussed. Take care.